What if I told you some plants don't need soil at all and can live for years in just water? No mess, no dirt, no bugs, just clean, endless growth. These plants don't just survive in water, they multiply, grow roots fast, and thrive indoors. Today, I'll show you 7 indoor plants that grow in water only, and the last one might completely change how you grow plants at home. Let's start with number 7, lucky bamboo, the symbol of good luck that can thrive in water for years. This plant has been grown in water for centuries. Soil is completely optional. Lucky bamboo naturally adapts to aquatic environments, absorbing nutrients directly from the water while producing roots that efficiently take in oxygen. Because of this, it can live long-term without ever touching soil. Its clean, elegant look makes it perfect for indoor homes, especially desks, bedrooms, and offices where people want greenery without dirt or insects. Once placed in water, the roots usually stabilize within 2 to 3 weeks, after which the plant grows steadily with very little care. To grow it, simply place the stalks in a container of clean water, keep the roots submerged, and change the water weekly to keep it fresh. It's beginner-friendly, long-lasting, and often seen as a symbol of luck and prosperity. But the next plant grows even faster roots than this one. Number 6, Pothos is next, the trailing green wonder that cleans your indoor air while growing effortlessly. This plant can live permanently in water once it develops roots. Many people never move it back to soil at all. Pothos naturally produces aerial roots along its stems, which are designed to search for moisture and nutrients. When placed in water, these roots adapt quickly, absorbing oxygen and minerals directly from the liquid. That's what makes it perfect for indoor homes. It's clean, trailing, decorative, and incredibly low maintenance. It looks beautiful on shelves, desks, or hanging containers while also helping freshen indoor air. One of the most exciting things about pothos is how fast it grows. New roots can appear in as little as 7 to 10 days, and the vines continue extending steadily afterward. To grow it, simply cut below a node, place the stem in clean water, and keep it in indirect sunlight. One cutting can turn into many plants over time. But the next plant doesn't just grow in water, it multiplies rapidly. Number 5, spider plant, the plant that multiplies on its own and brightens any room instantly. This plant practically creates its own ready-to-grow copies, and those baby plants can root in water almost instantly. Spider plants naturally produce offshoots, often called pups, that are designed to spread and grow wherever they land. Because of this built-in survival trait, they adapt to water extremely well and start forming roots without needing soil. That makes them perfect for indoor homes. They brighten a room, look lively in small containers, and are incredibly forgiving for beginners who want something simple and clean. You don't have to worry about soil mess, insects, or complicated care routines. Once placed in water, new roots usually begin forming within 1 to 2 weeks, and after that the plant continues growing steadily. To grow it, simply place a baby plant in a jar of clean water and keep it in indirect light. One spider plant can produce dozens of new plants over time, but the next plant looks even more decorative and grows surprisingly fast in water. Number 4, Philodendron, the elegant vine that grows long, decorative leaves without ever touching soil. This plant can grow long, elegant trailing vines while living entirely in water, no soil required. Philodendrons naturally produce nodes along their stems, and these nodes are programmed to form roots whenever they find moisture. When placed in water, they quickly adapt by growing strong, water-friendly roots that absorb nutrients and oxygen directly. That makes them ideal for indoor homes. Their soft trailing leaves create a calm, decorative look on shelves, tables, or hanging spaces, while their low-maintenance nature makes them perfect for beginners. They tolerate indoor lighting well and don't demand constant attention. Roots typically begin forming within 10 to 14 days, and once established, the plant grows steadily with minimal care. To grow one, cut just below a node, place the stem in clean water, and keep it in bright indirect light. It's forgiving, beautiful, and easy to multiply. But the next plant surprises most people, because it's actually a kitchen herb. Number 3, mint, your kitchen helper that gives endless fresh leaves straight from water. This kitchen herb doesn't just survive in water. It can keep producing fresh leaves for a long time without ever touching soil. Mint has soft, fast-growing stems that are naturally designed to absorb moisture and nutrients directly, which makes it incredibly adaptable to water environments. That's why it's perfect for indoor homes, especially kitchens. It adds a fresh scent to the room, looks lively in a simple glass container, and gives you easy access to edible leaves whenever you need them. It's simple, useful, and beginner-friendly all at once. One of the most exciting things about mint is how quickly it responds. Roots can begin forming in just 5 to 7 days, and once established, the plant continues growing steadily. To grow it, place a healthy mint stem in clean water and keep it near sunlight. You'll have a fresh, endless herb supply indoors. But the next plant doesn't just grow in water, it also helps freshen indoor air. Most people forget to change the water regularly. Stale water reduces oxygen and slows root growth. Change water every 5-7 days. Number 2, Chinese evergreen, the stylish, low-light tolerant plant that thrives indoors with almost no care. This decorative plant surprises many people because it can root in water and stay there for months while continuing to look healthy and vibrant. Chinese evergreen stems are thick and nutrient-rich, which allows them to store energy while slowly adapting to life in water. Once roots form, they can absorb enough oxygen and nutrients directly from the water to sustain steady growth. That's what makes it perfect for indoor homes. It tolerates low light, thrives in bedrooms or offices, and adds an elegant, patterned foliage look without any soil mess or maintenance stress. Roots usually begin forming within 2 to 3 weeks, and after that the plant becomes very stable and easy to care for. To grow it, place a healthy stem cutting in clean water, keep it warm, and change the water weekly. It's stylish, slow-growing, and extremely beginner-friendly. But the final plant roots even faster, and most people never expect it. Number 1, Coleus, the colorful superstar that roots fastest in water and fills your home with vibrant leaves. This colorful plant often roots faster in water than it does in soil, which surprises many indoor gardeners. Coleus has soft, flexible stems packed with growth hormones, allowing it to produce roots extremely quickly when placed in water. These roots are efficient at absorbing oxygen and nutrients directly from the water, helping the plant adapt fast and continue growing without soil. That makes it perfect for indoor homes where people want something vibrant and decorative without the mess of pots and dirt. Its bright leaves add instant color to desks, shelves, and windows, making rooms feel more alive with almost no effort. One of the most exciting things about Coleus is its speed. Roots can begin forming in as little as 4 to 6 days, and once established, the plant grows steadily. To grow it, cut a healthy stem, place it in clean water, and keep it in bright indirect light. With time, one Coleus can turn into many plants, filling your home with color effortlessly. Here is something most people don't realize about plants grown in water. They often have far fewer pests because there's no soil to attract insects or fungus, which makes them cleaner and easier to manage indoors. They also need less maintenance since you don't have to worry about watering schedules, soil quality, or repotting. Another advantage is that their roots grow visibly clean in water, making it easier to monitor plant health and spot problems early. And because indoor environments are usually stable, many water-grown plants adapt faster, settling into rooms more easily and continuing steady growth with minimal effort from you. For the best results, Use clear glass containers so you can easily monitor root growth and spot any issues early. Always use filtered water or tap water that has been left out for a few hours, which helps remove chlorine that can slow root development. Keep your plants in bright but indirect sunlight, since harsh direct sun can heat the water and stress the roots. And if you want stronger growth, adding a small amount of liquid plant nutrients once a month can make a noticeable difference. These incredible plants prove that nature doesn't always follow the rules. You don't need soil, dirt, or complicated care, just water, light, and patience, and they thrive beautifully. Clean, effortless growth is possible indoors. So now the question is, which one of these amazing water-grown plants will you try first?